So today I am going to solve this equation, which is based on the logarithm. So how to proceed from here? You can see it is log x raised to the power 1 upon 3 equals to log x raised to the power half. Now 1 by 3 can be taken n log m. Now both sides we have log x. So what we can do is we can substitute t equal to log x. Now we get 1 upon 3 times of t equals to t raised to the power half. Now I am going to squaring. Now squaring both sides, we are getting t square upon 9 equals to t. Now simplify it. And bring all the terms to the left hand side. So we are getting a quadratic form. We can factorize it, and we are getting two values of t, 0 and 9. Now we will have to substitute this value of t here, since we have supposed t equals to log of x. T equals to log of x. So first value is 0, means log of x equals to 0. Then what will be t? Now what about the base? The condition for logarithmic function is base. Let's say base is a, then a should be more than 0 and a should not be equal to 1. So any base, let us say we take it to be equal to a. So we are getting x equal to a raised to the power 0 equals to 1. In place of a you can take e or 10 as well, no problem. So when we substitute t equal to 0, we are getting x equals to 1. One possibility. Next is 9. So we are getting x equals to a raised to the power 9. So these are two values we are getting. Since since base has not been specified, we can take it to be 10 also. But in general, now let us check. Since we have squared this equation here, there are chances of coming extraneous roots. So let us check it. One by one, we will put these values in the original equation. First value we are getting is 1. Put it here. Put x equals to 1 in the original solution. Put it here 1. The log of 1 is what? 0. Log of 1 0 and square root of 0 is 0, which is true. So first value is true. Now we will check this. X equals to a raised to the power 9. Now what we are getting? Log a raised to the power 9 raised to the power 1 by 3. This is the LHS part. And what about RHS? Square root log a raised to the power 9. Obviously base is a. same base has to be taken, so base is a. So now simplify it further, we are getting 1 upon 3, or cancel it out here, so we are getting log a raised to the power 3 equals to 3 square root log of a. Now simplify it further, 3 log a equals to 3 square root of log a. Now here you can confuse, but since our base is a, same number same base, so what we were getting, 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3 into 1. Any number to the same base is the 1. So this result is also true. So both the values are satisfying this, and therefore these two values are the answer, correct answer. And in place of a, if you substitute, if you take base to be equal to 10, then here we will get 1, no change in this value, but here we will get 10 raised to the power 9. But again that value is going to satisfy the equation. So here we have the two answers. So here I think you have understood the concept. So do like, share, subscribe and comment.